Good evening, everyone. This is Professor Chisholm, and I wanted to take the time to welcome you to CTS 1050 Introduction to Computers. And we are going to be looking at the Microsoft Suite, Word, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel. However, if you do not have Microsoft, do not worry. You can also download OpenOffice. It's free to download. If you go into Google and if you type in OpenOffice, Apache OpenOffice, and you can download and it's free, okay? And it has everything. It's just they name it a little bit different, but I have both here, so I will show you, okay? All right, so either Microsoft Word or OpenOffice is what we're going to explore. So the bottom line is that you need to have some computer skills. You're going to be working in the workplace, and everybody's using computers now, especially in the medical field. So you need to get more comfortable utilizing the tools that are available to you on these computers, and that's what we're going to look at. And what I would do is I would invite you guys to make sure that you go through the course and make sure you get an overview of what's needed for the next 7 weeks, okay? Now, I'm on the announcements page right now. Just make sure that you go through. And now I don't know if you've been here, if you've notice that the Blackboard interface looks a little bit different. So you're going to just click on Introduction to Computers, right? And then if this is hidden, sometimes it hides itself, and I'll show you. Where's that little, there it is. So when I came in, it looked like this, but if you hover your mouse over, you can open it up and it gives you the other tab. So make sure you review the announcement page, because every week I'm going to do an overview just to give you an idea of what's needed for the week so that we make sure that we're all on the same page, okay? So this is what we're doing right now. And so the other thing is you're going to want to review the syllabus. You're going to want to download the syllabus, and then you're going to acknowledge. You need to click this and you need to follow the directions that are here, okay? So you need to acknowledge the syllabus, okay, that you got it. So you're going to go in here and then you're going to say begin, okay? That's very important. The other thing is we have my contact information. You may text me. Text only 321-754-3022 and or, well, that is not my email address, so let me change that. So it should be mchisholm@cambridgehealth.edu. So let's change that. So mchisholm@cambridgehealth.edu is my email address, and there's a little bit of a bio about me. I've been teaching since 2004. I have a lot of experience with computers. I am actually a graphic designer. I am not afraid to use one. I love them. I love them. I love them. Course calendar. This will give you, if you click it, and then open, this will show you we go from 9/3 to 10/23. Okay, so 9/3 is tomorrow. Now, I know that there's some bad weather coming up. I also live in Central Florida. I understand. I just ask that you do the best that you can. Okay, that's all any of us can expect, right? Now, we have an ebook. Make sure that you click it and make sure that it works. And it should open up to the book, which it does, okay? That's the book. And then ask the professor. This is a way for you to be able to ask me general questions, but typically the best way is to just probably email me. I don't see, this is a brand new course, guys, so you're going to need to make sure that if you see something that's not working properly, please let me know so that I can make a note so that we can go back in there and edit it. So there's this, or then of course you can email me at mchisholm@cambridgehealth.edu, or you can text me. Now, course messages, you can go through here. The course messages, you can email me through here also, okay? There's the Student Wall Cafe. You need to go in here and introduce yourself to the class, so everyone needs to do that. And That's your course messages. That's another way that you can email me is through course messages. Student wall, you can also put up any questions that you have with your peers. You can chat with your peers, all right? And then we get into our content. So there's 7 weeks, and they're each laid out. Now, the one thing that's confusing to students is the final exam. It's technically, we go a full week for week 7, and then the 2 days afterwards we take the final exam. So it's not really inside of week 7, it's sort of in addition to week 7. So it's sort of week 7.5 is what this should be. Okay, so let's go ahead and review what's needed. Okay, so this week we're going to just look at basic concepts about computers, about computer literacy. And there's the readings, and there's your e-learning modules that you can review. But the first one, in 100 words or more, and that means your own words. How much computer experience do you have? How much do you use technology in your daily life? Reply to 2 of your peers' posts in 25 words or more. Provide 2 additional outside resources in APA format. And the initial post is due on the date specified. Additional responses must be submitted by the end of the week, but should not be the same day that you post your initial response. Okay, so these discussion questions are due typically on Wednesday, but seeing as we're getting started late, this one's due on Thursday. Okay, so you have until Thursday to get this one in, but then your replies to your peers are due on Sunday. Okay, so we go Monday to Sunday. That's a week for us. Okay, now everything else for the week is due on Sunday. You guys just need to plan accordingly. Okay, so plan your week out, make sure that you know how to do this. Now, APA format. So if you're going to put citations, so try not to cut and paste and then say it's your own words. You need to give citations. And with each discussion questions through all 7 weeks, you have to provide 2 additional resources that are backing up your comments, that support what you're writing. Okay? So you need to make sure that they're in APA format. Now, I will provide, and I will have to do this tomorrow because I had it in another course, but I'll have to find it to find the video. But I made a video that shows you how to do APA, and I'll post that in the announcement section so that you can see how it's done. And I promise I'll do that tomorrow morning. I'm sort of running out of time this evening, okay? But I will do that. I will add that to my to-do list. Now, but plagiarism is not acceptable. You're in college and you need to not be cutting and pasting and then saying it's yours. So please make sure that all your posts are written in your own words, okay? So the first post is due on Thursday. The other 2 replies are due by Sunday. Now, you don't have to wait until Sunday. Just can't be on Thursday, okay? Now, for your week 1 assignment, you're going to use Microsoft Word or OpenOffice, and you're going to list 5 rules. And this is going to be... you're going to look at the syllabus, okay, and it's going to give you the information. So you're going to want to sort of make sure that you download the syllabus so that you can see, it talks about attendance, exams, okay, so you're going to want to look at that, and you're going to want to list how to contact me using bullet points, what software is required for this course, show that you understand how to write an APA citation using the textbook. So you're going to take the title of the book and you're going to write the citation for it. And then you're going to save your files, okay? So whenever you're going to save a file, you're going to save it first initial, last name, and then whatever the assignment is. So, for example, this would be M. Chisholm Week 1 assignment, okay? I'm not really sure why there's a 1 next to that, but that's okay. So that should be pretty straightforward. If you have any problems, guys, please let me know, okay? Now, the other 2 items that you have is you have 2 quizzes. You have a syllabus quiz. Again, you're going to need to make sure that you have the syllabus. And you also have the week 1 quiz. It's 20 questions, 2 attempts allowed, okay? Syllabus quiz is just, there's not that many questions on it. I think it's 5 or 6 or something like that. So, but... Week 1 quiz is 20 questions, 2 attempts allowed, okay? All right, so that pretty much sums up what's needed. I will make an APA format video, and I've got to find something to write on. This will work. What is that? Yeah, so let me write a note here. I'm writing a note. So I have the video done. I just have to find it. APA video. I will post it. I will find it. and I will post that tomorrow. But the bottom line is, guys, if you have problems, please text me, please email me. I'm more than happy to work with you. If you see a problem in the course, let me know. It is brand new. I'm trying to work out the little buggy wuggies, so be patient. Take a deep breath, and we'll go from there. Now, make sure that if you're going to run into any problems for the, because of the weather and stuff, that you reach out to me and let me know. All right. Just the bottom line is your safety comes first. Okay. And I will definitely work with you to get you caught up. So please do the best you can and just, again, communicate. All right. So welcome to the class. I look forward to seeing how this new course works. I mean, this is we had to do a redesign on it, so I'm excited to see what works and what may not work and get your input on it, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I am going to go ahead and sign off. So this is Professor Chisholm signing off for week 1, CTS 1050, Introduction to Computers. Have a great week and do great things. Most importantly, stay safe.